Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making halwa or lapsi, and this is the kind you make when you do puja or prayer. In this bowl we have water, 2% milk, and carnation milk. In this bowl we will add the flour, sugar, and cardamom. We're gonna give this a mix. And now we're going to add the dry ingredients to the wet, and we're going to mix this. Now we're gonna strain the mixture to make sure we get rid of any lumps. Now I'll rub some ghee around the wok, and then we'll put some ghee to melt. Now that the ghee is melted, I'm going to add my mixture. And for this, you have to keep stirring. And the halwa is almost done. And that's it for the halwa. It's finished. Now we're gonna plate this up with some puri. Here's my halwa and puri. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.